Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. An engine will seize due to A. A lack of fuel, B. A lack of oil, C. A lack of coolant, D. Improper tire inflation. The correct answer is B. Question 2. If you are passing a row of cars parked to your right, you should not ride in the right portion of your lane for all of the following reasons. Except A. Drivers may get out of a vehicle unexpectedly. B. Car doors may open into your lane. C. Pedestrians may step out from between cars. D. Other motorists may think you're trying to park. The correct answer is D. Question 3. You must ride with your headlight on. A. Only at night. B. Only at night and in the rain. C. At all times. D. Under no circumstances. The correct answer is C. Question 4. When riding with a heavy load, you will want to adjust the A. Brakes, B. Seat, C. Suspension, D. Brake light. The correct answer is C. Question 5. To reduce your speed before turning, you should A. Shift into neutral, B. Pull in the clutch and use both brakes, C. Apply the rear brake only, D. Close the throttle and apply both brakes. The correct answer is D. Question 6. Your knees should be A. Against the handlebars, B. Straightened and wide, C. Against the gas tank, D. Wherever you prefer. The correct answer is C. Question 7. When approaching a blind intersection, riders should A. Roll through the intersection, B. Stop at the stop line before moving forward to improve their view of cross traffic, C. Ignore the stop line and move forward to get a better look, D. Stop at the stop line then proceed through the intersection. The correct answer is B. Question 8. When turning, it is important to A. Look straight ahead, B. Slow after starting into the turn, C. Reduce your speed coming out of the turn, D. Look through the turn to where you want to go. The correct answer is D. Question 9. In slow, tight turns, A. Lean the motorcycle and keep your body straight, B. Lean your body more than the motorcycle, C. Lean your motorcycle and your body at the same angle, D. Do not lean. The correct answer is A. Question 10. If no traffic is present when you are taking a curve, it is a good idea to start A. On the outside of the curve. B. On the inside of the curve. C. Near the edge of the curve. D. Wherever you prefer. The correct answer is A. Question 11. When turning, you should A. Watch the center line. B. Look straight ahead. C. Look at the guard rail. D. Look through the turn. The correct answer is D. Question 12. When selecting a helmet, make sure it is all of the following, except A. Designed to meet U.S. Department of Transportation standards. B. Snug. C. Defect-free. D. Attractive. The correct answer is D. Question 13. A proper lane position should do all of the following, except A. Allow you to set up for turns. B. Allow an escape route. C. Allow you to avoid wind blasts from other vehicles. D. Allow you to be in another vehicle's blind spot. The correct answer is D. Question 14. Which of the following surfaces is unlikely to provide poor traction for motorcyclists? A. Dry pavement. B. Painted lane markings. C. Manhole covers. D. Metal plates. The correct answer is A. Question 15. To prevent getting too tired while riding on long trips, experienced riders seldom ride more than blank in a day. A. 1 hour. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 6 hours. The correct answer is D. Question 16. Wearing a helmet will A. Reduce your chances of neck and head injuries in the event of a crash. B. Increase your chances of a neck injury in the event of a crash. C. Reduce your vision by 2/3. D. Neither reduce nor increase your chances of a head injury in the event of a crash. The correct answer is A. Question 17. In Pennsylvania, you must wear a helmet. A. All the time. B. If riding with a permit. C. On long rides. D. When riding faster than 55 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. Question 18. With a properly adjusted mirror, you can see A. Only the lane beside you. B. Only the lane behind you. C. The lane behind you and part of the lane next to you. D. Everything behind and to the side of your motorcycle. The correct answer is C. Question 19. When the road is slippery, maintain a following distance of at least A. 10 seconds. B. 5 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 1 second. The correct answer is B. Question 20. If your throttle sticks, you should A. Squeeze the clutch and use the engine cutoff switch. B. Shift to neutral and apply both brakes. C. Downshift and apply both brakes. D. Apply the front brake. The correct answer is A.